Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will teach you guys how we guys can use threads. Alright, now it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. If you have used Twitter, then you guys can easily use threads because it's similar to Twitter. Alright, but if you haven't used Twitter, then watch this video to know how to use it. To know who have interacted with you or who have liked your tweet or have done anything, you can click on the heart icon at the bottom, and every single notification, request, reply, it's going to be shown over here. If you want to visit your profile, you can click on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and it'll bring you to your profile. And if you want to browse through like other people's threads, you can click on the home icon over here. And if you click on the heart icon, you're basically liking their thread. And if you click on this little arrow pointing at like the opposite direction, it means you're reposting it, which means you're basically sharing it. Alright, and if you want to comment, you can click on this little button over here, which is right beside the heart icon. Comment on somebody's thread or somebody's post. If you want to share it outside of threads, let's say you want to share it on like iMessages or something, you can click on this little arrow icon over here and click on where it says copy link. Once you copy the link, you can paste it anywhere you want to share it. And if you want to post your own threads, you can click on the middle button at the bottom of your screen, and over here you can write anything you want. And if you want to post a photo, you can click on this pin looking icon, and from your gallery choose the photo you want, click on add and click on post, and this thread will be posted along with this photo as well. Alright, that's basically how we guys can use Instagram threads, or also known as threads in general. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.